am changing a pinch roller on a Roland VersaCAMM SP-300V. I'm doing this video because all the other videos that I saw on YouTube or that I just looked up, I couldn't see anything but the person's hand that was taking the pinch roller off. So first of all, I've powered down the machine, unplugged it from the outlet, and also hit the power button 3 times to discharge any electricity or anything that could be on the machine. I have a lamp that's in here as well. And first thing that you need to do is remove the C-clamp that is here. So that's what I'm going to do. I also put a magnet down here because these little clips, I've already changed one. The little clips pop and roll everywhere. So you want something that'll grab it without going down into the machine, and then you'll lose that part. So let me get started here. And basically what I'm doing is just popping this little ring off. And so you can do either side. Basically what I did was I just took a small screwdriver like this here and held one side of it, the top part here, and then pulled the other. And you see how good the magnet just grabbed that right there. And so we left it. So now all we're going to do is pull the axle out. And this takes a little bit of jiggling. And let's see, I can slide it down some. That might be better. And you can see in there the axle right there. What I'm gonna do is just take these needle nose pliers. Adjust the light some. Take the needle nose pliers and push on the axle. To get it to move through. If you can see there. And I can see why the man's hand was in the video. It's covering the whole video because it takes a little bit of finagling to get in there. And so I'm just pushing the axle through just like that. And as you can see, it's out. There it is. Now they said when you get these new pinch rollers, you need to make sure that the dots are facing on the outside of the machine when you put them back in. And it also has 2 little washers that go on each side. Okay, let me grab my new ones. And so here's my new ones in the bag, and it comes with the pinch roller. In this pinch roller, the dot is very faint. I don't know if you can, yeah, there it is. Just 1 dot on that side. So I'm gonna open this up. And what I found with the other one is I use a little bit of grease on the edge of these. See, there's my dot there. It's very faint. Use a little bit of grease on the side so that the washers will stick to them, because it's a little bit of a nightmare trying to, I'll show you what I mean here. So in order to get get the washers to stick, I put a little grease on the side here. And stuck it there. And so now it's on both sides. I have both washers on there. One there and one there. Putting the pinch roller in. And let's try this one more time. Slide it through. And that one fell down a little bit, but because it's a little sticky, I can get it in place and then push it through just like that. Okay. Oop, I moved it out of the thing. So now you can see it has a washer on both sides. It's got the dot facing on the outside. And now I just need to put my C-clip, which was out of the right C-clip, back on the end.